Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on an Honor X8. We're going to start by pressing the power button and the volume up button and holding it until it comes on. And then we're just going to hold the volume up button until we see it go black, and it will enter into this recovery mode. So we're going to go down to, from here we're going to go down to clear data and then factory reset. Now, when we go up here, we'll have to actually type in the word yes, because once we do this and we hit this factory reset button, it will delete everything off the phone and it will come out like it was when you bought it. So when it came out of the box. So then it's going to go through its little reset cycle and deleting everything. And you'll see that once that's done, it will pop up with a new screen, and you will have the option to go back, hit restart, it will turn off, and then it will turn on like a brand new phone. Hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.